Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Cricket from the Big City Greens cartoon. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're just gonna start out with his eye. So it's just gonna be basically two big circles. So I'm just gonna draw one, and then the eyeballs are kind of touching each other, so just go to the side and just draw another one, and just try to draw it the same size. I know it's a little bit tricky to draw something circular. I'm just gonna draw two circles like this, and I'm just gonna shade it in. Okay, and then from there we're gonna draw in his mouth. So right underneath the eyeballs, I'm just gonna draw one line across, all the way here, past the eyeball. And then from there, I'm just gonna go down. You can draw a bracket first if you like, might be a little bit easier. And then from that bracket, we're just gonna close it off. So one big smooth curve. Okay, so that's the mouth. And for the teeth inside, right in the middle, we can draw one line like this first. And then right underneath the eyeball, just draw like a half circle. And that's gonna be his teeth. And then for his tongue, I'm just gonna draw a half circle going down this way. Alright, so those are the features, and now let's fill in the head. So for his hair, just come out to the middle here. Just kind of go around the eyeball on both sides. Okay, so that part's easy. Just go around the eyeball and then come down right about here. And then once you reach this point here, just draw one, kind of like almost like a full circle. Just come around here. This is gonna be his ear. So just come around and just stop. Give yourself a little space. And then from this corner here, we're just gonna draw another curve. So this is gonna be the same as the mouth shape. We're just going all the way around. Okay, so it kind of looks like a monkey right now, but once we add the hair on the side, it'll look a little bit better. Okay, and then on the side here, from this point, I'm just gonna go out. Okay, all the way to the ear. Now go back to the middle here. I'm gonna finish up the hair. So I'm gonna go out and curve it all the way out here. So from the center, just go out. Let's connect that. And then on the side, okay, and then for his eyebrow, so right up over the eye, just gonna draw one curve, and then just go up with a bracket and draw another curve. So it's kind of going right over the hair, which is gonna be okay because I'm gonna shade it in. This part's supposed to be black anyways. Alright, so right over the eyeball, curve, bracket going up, curve, and then just close it off and shade it. Or if you don't want to shade, you just have to erase out that line. Alright, so that's the head, and let's move on to the body. So the body's really easy. You can make two little marks right here first, right underneath the mouth, the tongue. And then we're gonna draw a U shape, but on this side, I'm gonna give a little bit of space. Okay, so come down. And then on the bottom here, just curve it, a little half circle, close it. And the reason we're leaving a little bit space is because we're gonna draw his arms going out. Okay, and we can draw that now. So from this point here, just gonna draw like a little bracket, a rectangle. Okay, and then now we're gonna go all the way out. So it's got pretty long arms. And then for his hand, gonna go one, and then this side, just come down. So it's gonna be his thumb, and then we got three fingers here, 1, 2, 3. Alright, and then for his other arm, start in the corner here, just kind of curve it. Right here, just give a little bump for his hand. And then we're going to draw the other side. So start here, just curve it around and into the body again. And then here is his sleeve, just one line. Alright, and then for the details here, it's going to be shifted over a little bit. So on this side, let's draw one line coming down, and then come across, and then go back up. So right around here. And then on this side, it's overall, come down and just curve it. Okay, and then some more detail right under these lines here, right underneath. We're gonna draw 2 circles, and then just add a little bit of detail, line across and down on both sides. All right, and then now for his legs, super easy. Right in the center here, come down, and then on both sides, I'm gonna come down as well. Just kind of flare out just a little bit toward the bottom. Make it a little bit more interesting. And then we're just gonna close it off. And some detail on this pant on the bottom. And then for his foot, come down right in the middle. On this side, it's gonna come down, curve, and then just round it off. So same thing here, just kind of curve it, round it off. And then for the details, I'm just gonna add in 2 little curves for his toes. And that is it for this drawing. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.